How to write 7.375 as a mixed number in simplest form. Okay, mixed number means this type of number, whole number part then fractional part. So before decimal we get whole number part, so fractional part is this, but this is in decimal form. We would like to convert this decimal form fractional part into p by q form. So how to do that? Just we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, skip this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 3 digit after decimal, so write 310. Now we need to simplify this fraction. To simplify this fraction, what will you do? If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. In this case, you need to find out the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you can divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So I'll get 2 here and I will get what? 5 goes into 37 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here and I will get 5 goes into 7 1 times. 1 times 5, 5, subtract 2, 25, 5 times. So again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I'll get 2 here, I'll get 3 here. Now, 7 plus 3, then 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Now, combine. So we have gotten this form, A P by Q. So this is the mixed number.